Right. Hi, I'm Ryan Ripley, professional Scrum trainer here at scrum.org.
I'm professional Scrum trainer Ron Aringa. Both we are the stewards for the Professional Agile Leadership Training, and we would like to take you on a journey on what this course is all about.
Yeah, so throughout this course, we're really going to look at a number of features, a number of ideas around agility and leadership. First of all, being the why. Why are we actually trying to make our organizations agile? Why do we want to work this way? What do we expect to get out of it? It's very important to start with this step to make sure that we're calibrated, we understand why we're trying to get to where we think we want to go, and what are the things we're going to have to trade off, to learn about, to lose, to gain in order to get there.
Yeah, and what is your role as a leader in that process? So, people are going to improve in their roles. We have the roles in a Scrum team. Maybe you're using Scrum or something else, but you're leading an Agile team. So what's your role related to these roles in Scrum? So how can you help these people grow and become more mature? And that's actually what we're talking about a lot in this training.
And along with that, it's really as a leader setting that greater goal. Giving these teams, whether it's the janitor in the office all the way up to the CEO, trying to figure out what it is that we're aligned to.
Yeah.
What is the greater goal of the organization? What's the greater goal of the individual, of the Scrum team? And trying to make sure we're aligned from top to bottom. Ensuring that as leaders, we're showing up fully present and able to help create that alignment so that we can help these teams know what the target and the goals are. So then we can help them grow and mature.
Yeah, and besides using our own stories that we've, of course, had in practical experience, we're also using books, references, stuff like that, to help you look at it from a very practical way. So, for example, how do you measure that? How do you improve? How do you help the teams improve? And how do you relate to experiences that we had on the work floor? So, what can you do as a leader to make it really practical for teams to grow?
Yeah, we take a real deep dive and a deep look at the typical challenges that leaders will face trying to work in an agile way. What's going to happen in the organization as you try to lead change? What's going to happen as people do what people do and act in a complex way? So this is really a sense-making type of course. It's also with practical tools and tips. By the end of it, you'll walk away with real war stories from your fellow students, a deeper understanding of what it takes to actually make this kind of change, and also a way to gauge yourself. How do you be introspective as a leader? How do you know the different maturity levels? How do you know how to show up in each situation? So a lot of it is situational, a lot of it's practical. At the end, though, our goal is to equip you with the tools and techniques and knowledge you need to act as a professional Agile leader.
Yeah, so if you're coming from a traditional organization and you're wondering about what it means to become an Agile leader, you should come to this course and join us in one of the events coming up, right?
Yeah, we hope to see you at one of our future PALI courses. Check out the scrum.org website. There's this current schedule of courses available. Check out the forums, the course information. There's a lot of great resources. Hit us up on Twitter at scrum.org. Be sure to ask your questions. And Ron and I hope we see you in a course coming up very soon.
See you there.